Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? So, we're all about cleaning right now. We have relatives coming in, but it is also a daily thing that we have to do all year round. And here at Avon, we have become such a lifestyle to where we carry products from our fashion to our makeup to our skincare, and we also carry our cleaning products. So I wanted to share a few of them that you may not have noticed in the catalog. I want to make sure that you're seeing what is available. First up, I know a lot of us have our water bottles. Or the cups or whatever. This is our 3-piece bottle set. So you've got your really thin one for those reusable straws. So nice, and it is on a nice little keychain, so you're not going to lose all of them. So you've got the one for your straw. You've got another smaller one to get all those little crevices around the top of, I know my water bottle has all kinds of little crevices around the flip up top with the nozzle. So this is really good for getting in those places and on the inside. And then finally, you've got your bottle brush just to get inside the actual bottle. It's got a nice long handle, definitely long enough to get in any water bottle that you are cleaning. So a 3-piece set. You know what? I don't remember the price on this one, but it was very reasonable. So a 3-piece set, I would make a Christmas present for a college kid or whoever doing their water bottles, but great to have around the house. Just great, a good product to buy. So that is one of ours. Next up is our toilet brush cleaners. So it has the handle, does have the hoop. So if you had a sticky hook on your toilet or something, you could hang it from the side of the toilet. And then you have your disposable cleansing sponges. You do get this and 6 additional sponges, all for just under $10, $9.99, guys. So you get 7 of the disposable sponge cleaners and the handle, and you're good to go. My other thought on this, I bought 2 because I don't know about y'all, but my walls get dirty too. And instead of standing on my head or getting out the chair or whatever, I'm thinking this is going to be a nice handle to scrub my walls with, or cabinets that are down low where I can't get to them. Hoping it does the baseboards. I will let you guys know how this works out, but that is my thought on some of these pads. Now, of course, like my husband's like, well, make sure you keep the pad separate. Well, yeah, make sure you keep your pads separate, which ones you're using to clean your walls, which ones you're using to clean your toilets, and that way you have everything safe. But it is an awesome product. Like I said, $10 gets you 7 of these disposable heads and the handle. So not bad at all. And the last thing I wanted to share with you guys real quick is our handheld scrub brush. I didn't open this one yet, but you've got your handle, so perfect for scrubbing, and then you've got your scrub pad. It is denser. This is a softer sponge. This is a denser for scrubbing. It is they're calling it a bathroom scrubber kit, but I could see scrubbing anything with this, your kitchen, your bathroom, your walls, your whatever you need to do. It's a really nice non-abrasive but still good thicker scrub. So that is definitely, these are not refillable. They are a use till they're abused and throw away, but they're only I think they're $5.79, 75, something in that range. So yeah, so we have our big cleansing brushes. So these are the ones that I'm showing you this time. I'll come back and show you some of our cleaning products. We have some awesome cleaning products that are vegan and, you know, no chemicals. So we'll get to that next time. But for right now, keep in mind some of our cleaning tools. We have a few others in the brochure, and take a look on the website. Thanks, guys.